What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ThePhoenix. I actually just got out the shower recently. Yeah, my boy and I can kind of see his car in the back. Bop. We're going back. We're headed to the shop because he's about to get his car straight pipe, like complete straight pipe. So we're gonna see how that goes. And if they do a good job, I'm probably gonna pull up there and get something done to mine too. So you can hear him right now. So we'll see how it goes. So right now, all you can hear is the wind and me. You can't even really hear my car. But we're gonna see how different it is once he gets that exhaust work done. I don't know if he cares if I tell you the price now, so I ain't gonna say nothing for now. But yeah, we're on the way. Yes, sir. Man, all you hear is fucking wind. My hat about to blow off my head and shit. Yeah, that wasn't too impressive. All right, let's see how it sounds. He's like, about to rev it. I like that. Hey, we appreciate you. Warehouse Tire and Muffler in Jefferson City. I like that. I mean, do it again real quick. Let me hear that one more time. Hear that one more time. Yes, sir. That sounds vicious.
You want to get me peel off?
I like that. All right, let's do it. All right, he's about to take off the hill. Let's see how it goes. I like that. I like that. That's, you still hear his ass up there too. Yes, sir. This is the difference between having full mufflers and no mufflers. So let's hear mine first of all. I got everything stock, right? Excluding the air intake. I mean, it's not bad, but you know, I feel like I'm driving a Tesla now. Now if I stop that, and now let's hear this. It's so fucking loud. Yeah, that's a huge difference. You can't even hear my fucking car. Damn. I'll put the camera on myself. There we go. Yes, sir. You can see under there. I like that. Alright, so he's gonna hit that gas on the highway. We're on the inside now. Let this down. See how it sounds. Yes, sir. I love that. I love it.
Forgive me, I know all my niggas, they regular. Never had shit, man, we straight from them trenches. Lord, I just pray that a nigga don't tear me, cause bitch, I'ma die with the Smith and the Wesson. I hang with them hitters, them killers, gorillas.